Hi, I'm IfDots, and I wanted to talk about vibe coding really quickly. Uh, Over the weekend, I figured that I would check out vibe coding and see if I could use it to make a VST app. I wanted to use the Juice C++ framework. I work as a programmer in my day job, but I'm not a C++ programmer, so when I tried to use it at first last year, it was very confusing, and I did not get a compiled build of anything. So, over the weekend, this weekend, I spent about 10 to 15 hours, and I have an app that works and does basically what I asked. But I'm really worried about the general state of AI and just how using it makes you feel. The way that I'm describing AI use to people is that it's kind of like all of the problems of social media combined with all of the problems of gambling. Because the AI constantly, it will prompt you back, sort of. You'll tell the AI, can you please provide me this? And the AI will say, here it is. Did you want me to do XYZ? The goal of the AI is not to give you what you're asking for. The goal of the AI is to get your engagement. It's the same thing as social media, where if you're using the AI more, the AI is doing better. That's the metric it's looking at. The other thing is that the AI can sometimes give you what you're looking for. So especially for coding, you're asking it to make something. It gives you code, you check the code is partially working. You ask the AI, it'll attempt to fix the code. You fix the code is not fully working. You go through this cycle, and you can see it sort of becoming what you're expecting, but also not. So it gets really addictive because you're like, oh, if I write the perfect prompt and I just get lucky in like 10 minutes, I could have this whole program. And then you spend 13 hours on it. I don't think I'm going to use AI again, even though it was really useful to make my vibe coded app. I feel kind of gross using it. There's a few parts of it that aren't exactly correct. I did have to hand code the end of the visualization layer because the AI was unable to give me the correct visualization settings, but I was able to figure out what I should put in from the rest of the code and basically just fill it in for the AI. So it's not fully vibe coded. It's like 90%. It's like 98% vibe coded, but not 100%. As someone who codes, I know basically what I should be getting from it. And I was really surprised to have the feeling that I had when I was prompting AI, that sort of like, oh, you can just prompt it one more time. If you just keep prompting it, you'll make something perfect, and everyone will love you because of the cool thing you made. It feels very isolating in the same way that social media is. It is also useful for some things, but I think it's too dangerous to be used by most, if not all, people. There's a current article that was retracted on Ars Technica, and it's because the reporter who covers the AI beat used AI to write part of a story about AI. Like, technically it didn't write anything, it just pulled quotes, but it couldn't pull the quotes, so it just made them up because it wanted the person using it to feel good, right? And that's the thing. The AI is right a lot of the time, but it's not right all of the time. And when it's wrong, it's convincingly wrong. So the only way to be sure that the AI is right is to fully check what the AI is doing. And that process can frequently take longer than actually just doing it yourself. The only place that isn't true is in sort of boilerplate coding type things. But those two need to be looked over by someone who really knows what they're doing. It's either that or you're just running code and you have no idea what the code is doing. It could delete your entire computer, like who even knows, right? I've looked over enough of the code and I have a basic enough understanding of how C++ works that I'm confident that my vibe coded app does not do that. But it's always possible. It's a risk that you have to take into account. And I think that it's very easy to ignore or glide over the risks with AI because it seems like it's just trying to help, because it's designed that way to make it addictive for you to use it. And the AI treats you like a god also because of that. vibe coding in this way really made me realize why people get like that AI delusion syndrome. It's because the AI makes you feel great and it makes you feel like you're doing everything, even when all you're doing is asking the AI how to code stuff. The way that AI is built and the way that it interacts with users, it inherently will make you feel more secure in what you're doing than you should be. And I think that it's inevitable that you're going to screw up if you're using AI constantly for anything. So that's just my opinion. This is not the type of video I normally make, but I really wanted to code my vibecoded app and just did that over the weekend, and it made me feel emotions I did not expect. So I thought that I would talk about it really quick. All right, have a good one.